Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Fortnite not launching on PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to Epic Games Launcher, Library, press on the three dots here on the Fortnite, Manage, and open this folder, right? And then go to Fortnite Game, Binaries, Win64, and then you need to look for Easy Anti-Cheat and press on Easy Anti-Cheat Setup. And if nothing happening when you press the Easy Anti-Cheat, what you need to do here next is to press right click on it, show more options. Then you need to basically press and create a shortcut on desktop. And then what you need to do here next, once you create a shortcut, you need to just move to Easy Anti-Cheat Setup here, press continue. And then you need to right click on the shortcut, show more options, properties, and then here you need to write repair, right? And after that, press OK and run the repair thing here. And the Fortnite should work. And if it's not working, then another thing that you need to do here is to go back to Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and then here you should see Win64 shipping exe file. And what you need to do here is to right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, make sure to run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 8, and make sure to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Apply the changes, restart the game, and the issue should be solved. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.